point. Barbara, I also want to get your thoughts on consumer, because we're going to get Chipotle after the bell. We know this has been a sticky name in terms of the consumer base. People have been willing to absorb those price increases for this name specifically. But if you broaden it out and you look at the restaurant sector more broadly, it has been starting to show some signs of fatigue, as we have seen food inflation staying relatively high and elevated here. You take that, you compare it to travel, what we saw with Hilton, with that stock moving higher today, what we saw with Visa, with cross-border transactions as well, and the strength that continues there. How does it speak to how the consumer is allocating dollars, and how much do we read through from Chipotle results to that?
Well, it's very interesting because you mentioned Hilton. Of course, we know how the airlines have been doing. There's a lot of positive spending still going on in the leisure and hospitality, but we certainly heard in other retail reports over the last quarter or two that really seems to be impacting the lower income consumer. You're seeing people not buying as much in the big ticket items. They are really trading down as much as they can. And as you mentioned, Chipotle is a unique situation. I mean, they have a very loyal, affluent, younger customer base who tries to eat very healthfully. And given the great value and high quality food and emphasis they put on that, and also continue to improve the customer experience, I think Chipotle probably can continue for a while, because it's just their execution and their value and their brand. I want to mention